What is up, you guys? It's Grime Week. So today we're gonna show you how to detail this Tesla. It's pretty filthy. We're gonna show you how to clean it up, shine it up, and so you can get ready to drive on the road with it. Let's go. Before we start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. This way we can keep on continuing to do videos for you guys. Let's get back to the wash. So first, as you can see, it's sunny. Everybody hates washing cars in the sun. So we're gonna show you how to do it effectively and fast and the right way. We always wanna start off with the wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse these off. Safety. Now I know we have products such as Signature Wheel Series Cleaner, Orange Degreaser, but since these wheels are not that dirty, all I'm gonna need is some Diablo wheel gel. I already have this diluted in my spray bottle, and my tire and rubber cleaner. The two brushes I will be using will be one for the tire and one for the face of the wheel. So now, I come to my wheel and I spray a generous amount of my Diablo wheel gel. You could always dilute this to any ratio you like. Right now I'm using it a 4:1 ratio. 1 part Diablo, 4 parts water. Now I'm gonna spray the bristles of my brush just to create more lather and immense scrubbing. These wheels are matte. They do have a matte finish, I'm sorry. So Diablo wheel gel would be the perfect option only because it's safe on all wheel types. Chrome, glossy, matte, you name it, it's gonna get your back. Excuse my faces when I'm scrubbing, just in case the camera's getting that.
It's all good. I'll show you a beautiful side.
It just shows emotion. So now I'm gonna get my tire cleaner, spray a generous amount as well, just to make sure I'm knocking off that road grime. Same thing, spray some into my bristles. And that's the owner of this car.
That's the owner checking on his baby.
We're hoping that once he sees this car, he's gonna buy us lunch and have a good time. We're gonna enjoy the cruise with a clean car, and I'm gonna enjoy a nice meal once this guy buys me.
He loves it. Also, your car is dying. 17%, Taurus.
Hey, charge it. Don't put gas, charge it. So now we're gonna go ahead and rinse off the rim and the tire. Now we're gonna go ahead and do that all around, and we're gonna go back and rinse off the car, do everything else, but for right now, just enjoy the montages of me washing some tires.
Time to love again. Time to love again.
So we just finished washing the tires, the rims. I went ahead and rinsed them one more time so that way they're not drying up on me while I'm setting up my buckets. I'm gonna go ahead and use our Glossworks shampoo. This is really good when it comes to making your car gloss the way you want it to. So now I'm gonna go ahead. I know 1 ounce is recommended, but I like my car looking nice, so I'm gonna put 1 more. And I'm gonna put 1 ounce as well in my wash bucket. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, so now we put that away, get our foam cannon, we close that in, and let me go get my wand, pick up my wand, take out my tip, save this, you're gonna need it. Get my cannon. Wait a minute.
You didn't rinse.
I didn't rinse.
I was about to ask, is this a new method? Because I've seen people foam it and then
let it drip.
And let
So
it
you
drip
could do
and then-
that. So you could foam it up, let all the dirt and grime drip off, but that's only if you're not gonna use your 2-bucket method.
Okay.
But since we are using our 2-bucket method, I'm gonna go ahead, get my tip, place it back in, and rinse off the car.
Time to love again. Time to love again. Time to love
So now that I'm letting the suds drag down the grime from the paintwork, I'm gonna go ahead and get my mitt, scrub it down, get it nice and clean. This way I'm not adding no contaminants onto the paintwork or scratching the surface. Now, before I go ahead and use it, almost forgot. Get my tip, apply it into my wand, and activate the suds. Eesh, got everything wet, huh? Move this over here. Now pick up some soap. Now begin to wash. Come on. Start off from the top. Move in linear lines. This way we're not being chaotic and making scratches and swirls. Flip it once you're done with half a panel, I would say. And just start attacking it. So now that I got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and take it back to my wash bucket, rinse out my mitt, and apply soap one more time. And just keep doing this until I get the whole car done. So now that we finished rinsing it, foaming it, scrubbing it, we're gonna go ahead, rinse it off one more time, dry this puppy up, and add some protection. This way, the following time we're gonna wash it, it's gonna be super easy and super fast. So, let's get to it. Look, pro tip, if you ever find yourself being exhausted, just dried up because of the sun, all you gotta do is just don't share that tip with everybody, because then everybody's gonna get on the trend and You know, we gotta keep things to ourselves sometimes. So now that we're done rinsing it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my drying towel. This way I could dry the whole surface of the car to prep it for some protection. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we got this thing washed up, we got it dried up. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the finishing details. There might be a little bit of soap dripping or soap residue, as you wanna call it, little water marks from the sun drying it up so bad. So we're gonna go ahead and touch it up with our Hydro Speed Quick Detailer. This is gonna enhance the shine and give it that ceramic protection that we're looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this, grab ourselves a microfiber towel, and begin to work. So what I like to do, especially right now that it's hot, you never wanna spray directly onto a hot surface. So we're gonna go ahead and just, excuse the wind, we're gonna go ahead and just spray our towel and begin applying. So now this is gonna help us by removing any small defects such as soap residue, any watermarks that might have gotten dried onto the surface, giving it ceramic protection, and just making it look amazing. So now once that panel's done, you simply just spray again. And apply again. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this to the whole car and then move on to the next step. So now that we finished enhancing our paintwork and applying ceramic protection, I'm gonna go ahead and swap our Hydro Speed with my Hydro View. It's gonna do the same exact thing. It's not only gonna enhance my windows, but it's also gonna add that ceramic protection. So let's go ahead and do it. Gotcha. Quick tip, to avoid any kind of streaking from any kind of window cleaner, what you want to do is you never want to apply the chemical directly on the window. This is only because the surface is hot, so it's going to evaporate a lot quicker than it's when it's less sunnier or more, there's just more shade or the car's cooler. So what you want to do is just simply apply a bit on your rag, on your microfiber towel, and work in the product. This way you're not causing any streaks and you're leaving a mirror-like finish. Quick thing to note to self too is that a microfiber towel not only has two sides, a microfiber towel has two sides. You can make this into 8. The way you want to do this, you want to fold this in 4 and continue using it. You could use this side as a wet side, this side as a dry side. You flip it inside out, you use this as a dry side, use this as a wet side. You want to keep doing that to all 8 sides. That way you can just make your towels last longer. And remember, a little product goes a long way. So you don't necessarily have to douse your towel with Hydro View. All you need is just one quick mist, and that should be enough. All right, so now that we finished applying protection not only to the paint, glass, we're gonna go ahead and just top this car wash off with applying protection to our tires. And this is necessary because our tires face the most dirtiest part of our ride, whether it's commute to work, to go grab lunch, or to the kids' soccer game. So now the way we're gonna do that is simply swapping this out for our Hydro Shield. And we're gonna go ahead and apply this with a microfiber applicator. This is quick and simple. All we're gonna need is just a few sprays and applying it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this to all 4 tires, and we're gonna be back and show you how the ride is gonna look. And there you guys have it. This car looks amazing. There's a night and day difference between how it was brought to us to how it turned out. If you guys like any of the products we use today, be sure to check out your local detail garage or visit our website at chemicalguys.com. Like always, I'm Alex. We'll see you on the next one. Shoo!